Hey everybody, it's Hari Swaminathan, April 28th, Tuesday morning, 5:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We're catching up on some of our earnings trades. Yesterday, last night was, of course, Apple was the big event, and the results actually were pretty stellar. 61 million iPhones. They fell a little short on the iPads, but regardless, the revenue numbers, EPS, everything just blew it out. The stock has not made a big move, and probably because in the last week, Apple has been climbing up from about 126 to about 132, and then now this morning it's up about two, so it's close to about 135. The position actually, my position has become a little more complex. We basically everybody else just has this debit spread, and I think we're going to do 1900% on Apple right here. Then I added some long calls. I also added a put spread. This put spread should expire worthless. This long call, it's at 3.27, so we'll see how much it should go up a little bit, but there'll be some volatility crush as well. So the best way to understand this is probably look at the the risk graph, and if we see that this is what we have here, and Apple is somewhere here. So right now, I think, of course, option prices are not reset yet, but if you look at it, we are going to, this is the position that we had put on earnings. So I'm going to take off all of this. So basically, we're going to do about 1900% right here on this. And so, you know, the risk is lower. In fact, mine, I added some. So in fact, everybody else in the room has a 1900% short at Apple. So let's also look at Facebook and IBM. These were the two trades that went against us in earnings, so we'll review that next. Okay, so Priceline and IBM went against us, and actually on both Priceline and Facebook now we have recovered close to about $800 out of these losses. So IBM is expiring this week. You can see the stock is at 170. We've got a short strangle here. This should pretty much expire close to worthless. So we'll get even on IBM. We should get even on IBM sometime by the end of this week, I think. Facebook, we of course have a lot of time because this one we had put in a long strangle out about 2 or 3 months, and then now we're trying to recover. Both of these stocks did not move. So if you recall, IBM before earnings was at 165, and after earnings the next day it opened at 165. Facebook did something similar. It was near 182 or 83, and it pretty much was a flat open. So whenever the stock doesn't live up to the market maker's expected move, and if you have a long kind of a position, whether it's long calls or debits or strangles and straddles, then the position is going to suffer. But you know, because the EarningsMAX comes with some adjustment tactics and all of that for all of these 6 types of strategies, what we do is then we have to get into an adjustment mode, and that's exactly where we are with both Facebook and IBM. IBM we should recover this week. Facebook might take another couple of weeks. Thanks. Oh, by the way, the swing trade room starts on May 1st. So swing trading, day trading, that starts back on May 1st. So if anybody wants to sign up, you can sign up for both the swing trade and the day trade. I'll be sending the links on the email itself. Thanks.